Welcome to this Mom Chef. Subscribe for easy to make and yummiest recipes. Also like our Facebook page and follow us on Instagram for latest updates. Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Koobideh Kebab is a very popular food available everywhere in Iran. Today we'll make Koobideh Kebab in Pakistani style. Ingredients that we need are beef mince with fat 300 grams, salt according to your taste, red chilli powder 3/4 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon leveled, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon leveled, crushed garlic 3 cloves, onion 1 medium sized grated. Discard its juice because juice can make kebabs too moist and it will become impossible to bind them together. So, in our beef mince, we'll add salt, red chili powder, black pepper powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, crushed garlic, and grated onion, and we'll mix them together. Mix them all well and leave to rest for half an hour. Now I have some water in a bowl and some thin line skewers. We'll join 3 of them together to make one, like this. First, I'll wet my hand and fingers into this water, and then we'll place our mince on these skewers like this and set them with the help of my thumbs and fingers. Kebabs are usually round in shape, but these Iranian Koobideh kebabs are flat in shape and are really large in size. But here I'm making them very small sized because of the size of my skewers. You can see how short and thin they are. I have to join 3 to make one. We'll have to rub our thumbs against mince to very gently to make these kebabs, because we don't want them to break and fall apart. Now heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and fry these kebabs from both sides on medium to high heat, and in the end on high heat just for 40 seconds. Means we will for 40 seconds we will fry them in the end on high heat. Why? Because usually these kebabs are not fried in the pan, they are grilled. So I wanted to give the same look as the grilled ones, you know, a little charred look. When they're done, put them in a plate, turn off the flame or heat, serve them with rice, white onions, and green chilies. Our Koobideh kebab is ready. Enjoy! If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, This Mom Chef. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.